Yo, it's Haris from Hypertech, and if you are a designer, brace yourself because your job about to get fucking wrecked. Remember when your work was just moving boxes around, adjusting padding, and pretending wireframe mattered? Yeah, those days might be over. Right now, AI tools like Galileo AI, Uizard, and literally some random dude's weekend project can take your client dumbass idea like, I want an app for booking gods. And boom, a working UI in minutes. Minutes, bro. Not hours, not days, minutes.
Oh my god!
And I'm not talking about those ugly no-code templates either. I'm talking about clean, modern, better than your dribble profile designs. Let's that sink in. For real, Galileo AI takes a prompt like, give me a crypto wallet app, and it spits out full screen icons flow. Meanwhile, you are still deciding if that button should be blue or slightly bluer. Spoilers, nobody gives a. And here's where it gets scary. Those tools aren't replacing designers, they are replacing junior designers, freelancers, UI monkeys, and anyone charging $200 for a Canva landing page. Yeah, you. Watching this? So, what's left for you? You know what? Stop being a pixel pusher and start being a design director, a thinker, a strategist, the one who tells AI what to do, not the other way around. Or hear me out, you could keep babysitting button hover states while AI gets promoted ahead of you. I'm Haris, this is Hypertech, built for the one who actually get it. If that's you, hit subscribe. If not, well, good luck out there. See you in the next one.